Okay, you guys, I'm about to try to put this garland on the stairs, all the way up the stairs. That's what we're gonna attempt to do. It's from Walmart and it's the 764 50 foot. I got this last Christmas on clearance, and this as well is the 18-foot clear crystallized rope. I'm gonna try to put that, add that in, and I got 2 of those and 2 of these. Not sure if I'm gonna need 2 of each one to go all the way up the stairs. Let's see how this works. Okay, so I know Dollar Tree sell these, but I haven't seen them at Dollar Tree yet, so I picked them up at Target Dollar Spot for $3, and it's 10 that comes in here. Then the lights have hooks in it as well. I went to Target looking for hooks, but I couldn't find any. But the lights have hooks, so we're gonna try to use those as well. Let's see how this gonna work. I doubled it, you guys, because it's 50 feet long. The mister just measured the stairs, and it's 12 feet this way, and then the little piece up there. So okay, you guys, this is the finish. This is how we got the lights wrapped in and out of the stairwell, and it goes all the way up the stairs. Step back so you can see it. I had to do it 3 times because the garland was kind of thin. I had it double layered as y'all first seen it, but then I used 3, 1, 2, and then the 3rd one. So I used a total of 3 because it didn't look full enough to me. The Mr. and Little Monster said leave it alone, but to me it looked like it needed to be a little bit fuller. So I added more to it, and in the morning or tomorrow afternoon, not in the morning, once I get off, we'll add the picks and the ribbon and everything else we're gonna add in it. Cute, y'all. These lights were hard to twine in and out. Remember, I got this last year. Don't pay attention to the stairs, we gotta vacuum. But this and the lights last year on clearance. I think it was the 80% off Walmart sale, and it was 50 foot for the Garland, and then the lights were 18 feet. Okay, y'all, we got ribbon from last year Christmas. I'm gonna put it along the stairwell. We have plenty, so this should be enough. Have the stripe one. Then we have this one. Have the red, and have some mesh, which I probably don't use because it's not enough. But most likely I'm just gonna use these 3 right here. I'm not gonna use that one. Okay, so I ran out of ribbon. This ribbon's from last year, and it was already like pre-cut. That's why I had to double knot it right here because it was cut. I'm trying to make it even, but this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go find the other ribbon that I have that I bought this year to add to it to finish going up the stairs. But I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna look like down here. Okay, so to save time, this is what it wind up looking like because I use these 2 ribbons as well. Super cute, and I just kind of wind them in. I seen another girl do it. She had it going one ribbon going one way, the other ribbon going another way, and then another ribbon going another way, so they can kind of overlap, lay on top of each other type situation. And that's what I did with this. That's how it wind up like that. But let me finish to save time, and I'll be back. Okay, here are my natural beauties. I'm just showing you guys where I added those peppermint picks down the stairwell. I ran out and I had to get more as well. I just only had them for this part of the stairwell. I had to go get more for the other part. Okay, here are my natural beauties. I added those hanging peppermints. I also had to go get another pack of those as well. But this is what we got so far. Excuse the TV, we right by the man cave. Excuse the mister, because I know y'all gonna hear him. But this is what we got so far. And this is the mess we made. So I went back to Hobby Lobby. Got some more picks. Not these. Definitely not these. But I got some more picks to add. Then I got another one of those. Okay, you guys, this the finish. I am on the fence about leaving. Excuse all the stuff I haven't swept. All this stuff right here. On here, I'm thinking about maybe taking that one off to match that one at the top. I'm gonna leave it for a day or so because I gotta go out of town anyways to see if I like it. But this part turned out beautiful, and this is the finish of my stairwell. Oops, excuse the noise, I'm kicking over stuff. But that's the finish, and that's what it looks like. Let me step back. Excuse the buckets up there. I'm still pulling out Christmas stuff, and I'm also with the rail, so I went back, added some ribbon, and added more bulbs. I have the lights turned on, put the DIY bell back up, and now I'm satisfied. And you see I ran out of the red and white, so I added the green, red, and white. But now this is the actual finish. Excuse the boxes, but we are putting up Christmas stuff, and I added ribbon and bulbs up that pole as well. That's where the tree gonna be at, and now I actually love it. Finally, right? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Also, if it's your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay. I don't know why this piece is sticking out, but we're gonna fix that real quick. Bend it in like that. There we go. But we would love for you to stay. Hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. You guys, I cleaned up my mess today, but look where I put it at. So another video coming soon on us decorating the foyer area and also the tree. Anywho, thanks for watching again. Bye.